Vlog girl, wagwan, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today, we're gonna another vlog today on the farm again today. You can see, it's a big environment with a lot of farming. Farming guys. Today, no, I'm gonna enjoy the vlog and thing. I'm gonna show you my plant. I don't know how cassava look when plant, I'm gonna show you cassava and thing. Them have ackee tree and things. They have ackee tree right there, so yeah, so them have ackee tree, them have cassava, them have dasheen, them plant melon and thing guys. So it's a nice farm but it's just a plant up, so me, you know, me's a man who is a jack of all trades, me's an electrician and thing and me's an operator and now me become a farm setup man, if that makes sense. And thing with the, in the streets, so I bring this phone up on YouTube now guys. I open and enjoy them vlog, yeah. Even though I complain to some of the vlog them short, today I will make it a little bit longer for you today. Because no one love enjoy to the scene them, because I bring some nice things to you guys. So you can just kick back, relax at home, quarantine and go on easy on yourself and see me. Because right now, plan for you vlog. I want to be safe guys. I want to be safe coming up on the road now and then. I want to be safe as well. Even though I'm not having a public passenger vehicle and things guys, so I want to continue to be safe. Take on a vitamin C and thing. Buy on a carrot on a pineapple on a ginger and the thing them and make up some natural juice, build up the immune system with the natural fruits and so forth guys. And exercise, you don't have to do every duty exercise guys, but more everybody if stay safe, healthy and everything guys. Because right now, another time of a crisis, epidemic, everybody have it to see how you know where we will come to a first and see something like this. But the good thing about it is a bad thing, but they have a good thing about it, a good part of the bad thing. In which the recovery rate of this thing, I'm now call it name. The recovery of this C thing, it is at I think 81%, 81 to 85%, somewhere up there. And that is not really a high death rate or death toll or whatever, you know what I mean? Because it likes some other one to take over Africa about 2 years ago, 3 years ago. You know what I mean? That one there? Yeah, that did have a high death rate. That was death rate was like 50 to 60. And recovery mode like was 20 to 40. So just to show the difference with Lee. So guys want to enjoy yourself and watch them vlog here and go on do the right thing and you're gonna watch the vlog, gonna like them, gonna share them. I don't know quarantine I'm gonna see the place here, nice and big and enjoying and thing. I'm gonna go love the farm, but all the hot still and let's do the vlog. I know I love it. So I can do the vlog, I want to show back some love by subscribing, liking, and tell a friend and share. That's a vlog channel. Oh guys, and also if you're new to my next channel, Rodin Rollstar, go over there to the prank reaction, the public interview. Guys, over there so full of enjoyment, full of laughter, full of everything guys. But the prank reaction, public interview, fun non-stop. Funds of galore guys. So I want to go over there so Rodin Rollstar and go over there. Like and subscribe over there too guys. So I have a vlog channel and I have a main channel. So if you're new to the vlog channel, like, subscribe and share. And if you're new to the main channel, go over there so like, subscribe and share guys. So I catch up back with you now because right now they work about kick off and things and like that. You know. It's a good little time now. I hope you enjoy me as a too now. I'm thinking. And we catch up back with you now guys. Black girl. So I go on and now beer thing. Beer farming. Watch out. Beer cassava. Cassava just planted. Aki. Yeah, it's all around the farm. It's a nice, yeah. It's a Black Girl. It's a nice farm, you know. I want to see what I go on. Oozes. Catch up back in the Black Girl. What you going now? We done laid every single, not every single, all of the ones we have to lay them out and thing. And so far it's a success so far. See, the people love it, look, anything we do with it, we do our utmost best. Simply the best from the rest. But right now it's a good look. We have scanned the field, in other words, we are walking and look if every one of the holes have been water, them are drip properly, no leakage and things. So far so good. 95% good, successful. In terms of leakage, none of that. So now we are check for the next part, which is the next 5% if that with all of the field, but the pressure built up. So from this on we can walk on and make sure if walk on. So all of the farmers them want to link up. Just link up on my Instagram up on the screen, Rodin _ Red Star. On Instagram, because it's my vlog channel. Main channel is already in the stars in the Ireland flag. So the love of this, so the right work, me I do my own right work. So water pressure, if you can see it. Right. That's how it is there. Yes. Water pressure is good, man. It's a good pressure I get from this, so. Yeah? Just half people and so much water. Full of water. So see that everybody a drip. All it was beer water. Yeah, man. Beer water. Water in clay lore. So if you don't want to no farm sort out with the right here, man. All of them pure water. See? Yeah, man. So water now the pipe them for the all like that one here. So guys, my piece needs to come all the way down to right here, so see me have the hose here, the piece into the one there. Got it short. My piece not can get back to one. More vlogs soon. We're then at the farm, you know, so we're everything up on the farm. So now we have a backhoe here, so JCB backhoe. Guys, if you never know, we can operate backhoe. So all who watch this and have a backhoe for operate, just link up. It's a nice clean backhoe. So I'm clean trench with this that little backhoe something I have on it. You see me? See the dog there. Like he want to rush me, but I don't run, if I run at that time, I'm rush him. So guys, nice clean backhoe here. Like AC and everything in operation in a good condition and thing. So the dog the security that you know, so I'm not going to security we can probably give me a lick out of the button with him teeth. Ash. So Black Girl. Yeah man, nice back one thing. So we catch up back when we reach up on the road. So Black Girl and more units in a Black Girl. The farm I base in a Black Girl. Tractor. I can operate tractor as well. Plow tractor. And this is a John Deere 250. 2050, I then call 2250 chat it. So it's a nice plow tractor, mini tractor and thing. Hope I enjoy them farm thing.